Hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I installed my cornrows. This is my first time actually cornrolling my hair, adding hair to my cornrows. So I think I did a pretty good job. I wanted to style up the travel braids. I wouldn't consider this an actual tutorial or more of a watch how I do this. The products I'll be using today are my DIY whipped shea butter and my DIY hair growth oil. Links to both of these videos will be down in the description box below. Curls, this is their blueberry control paste, and some mousse. The hair I used was 2 different brands. So yesterday I was extremely hot, and when I got home I was like, you know what, it's so hot I need to put my hair down, but I wanted something kind of quick. Didn't want to do individual braids. So I was going through my house looking around in my closet, and I found these 2 packs of hair, and I said, oh, let me go ahead and cornrow my hair. So I used some of this. I had some left over from when I did my niece hair. This hair is the Xpression hair. What else it says? It's pre-stretched. So I absolutely love working with pre-stretched hair, and it came with like 3 different section of bundles or pieces of hair, or whatever you want to call it, and it made it so easy. I really like this hair. And then other hair I used was the Janet Collection pre-stretched hair. Was it the EZ Tex pre-stretched hair? So this hair is, what is it, 84 inches, extremely long. So I didn't want my cornrows to be that long. So right here where this little gold piece is, I cut the hair in half. So I have a pack right here. So I cut it in half, and then I folded the hair in half and used this to cornrow. Alright, so I only used 2 packs of hair and not even the whole pack of each. To keep my hair moisturized while it was cornrowed, I'm going to add my DIY whipped shea butter evenly throughout my hair. Now I'm going to separate 5 pieces of hair. So each cornrow I will have added 5 pieces of hair. So for the actual cornrow, I only added 1 piece of hair at the beginning when I started, and the other 4 pieces I'm going to add while I continue to plait all the way down. now that I'm done braiding my hair, I have to dip the ends in hot water to seal them. Some hot water. Be very careful when you do this. So I'm going to do this real quick and I'll be right back. My ends are dipped. I'm done. I knew I was only going to keep this hairstyle in for maybe 2 weeks, so I didn't want a lot of braids. This was the perfect amount of braids that I wanted for a quick hairstyle. Now I'm going to add some accessories to my cornrows. I have some gold string, little pieces, and some shells. Got from my local beauty supply store. Grab any mousse of your choice. This mousse right here is alcohol free, so you can use this one. I already added mousse to this side, so don't need to do it again. Now let's go back to putting accessories in my hair. Okay, and y'all go easy on me with the back of my hair because I parted myself, and anybody who knows me knows I do not care about parts because I just don't. I usually part with my finger. I don't care about perfect part, but with the cornrows I didn't want my hair to look all raggedy, so I tried my best to make the parts as straight and neat looking. So here we go. Let me stand up and show you how long it is. Feels so good. If you have any questions, comments about this style, leave them down below. I'll make sure to answer them. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Hello, my name is Amia Renee.